meal preppers, how you doing this week? It's so great to see you guys. Paul here and Amy behind the camera from Let's Meal Prep and team. We got some great recipes here, all fairly simple too. We crushed through it this week, and we stepped all over each other. I mean, it was like mayhem in here. We're trying to get it done. We really wanted simple, but you don't have to sacrifice flavor. We're going to show you right here how we did that. Starting right here with the cilantro, lime, and honey chicken. I mean, it's really simple to make. You cut up your chicken, just season it generously with smoked paprika and chili powder, and then put it in the pan. And once it's done, you're gonna add the honey, the lime, and when it's all cooked and done, just add your fresh cilantro in there. And it just makes a beautiful sauce in there. And it actually tastes a little bit more like Chipotle. I was tasting the sauce, it's pretty nice. The salsa, of course, it can be optional, but it's just peaches with some lime juice, red onion, and cilantro. Yep. So a nice little bit more sweet in there. If you love peaches, they're in season now. Just steamed broccoli. Boom, 3 minutes in the microwave steamer and you're done. I decided to put some quinoa in there. I wanted to beef mine up a little bit, but you don't have to.
I opted out.
You can put some rice under there as well. Again, if you want to make it simple, just have it meat and veggies. Okay?
Yep.
It's great right there. Over here, we got a little summer dish. We got chicken sausage with some yellow and zucchini and yellow squash, some peppers, and we just seasoned this up with some honey, paprika, and oregano. Yep.
Salt, pepper.
Threw it in sheets, on baking sheets, and just baked it in the oven. That's all you got to do. And then you just put it out there, and then you've got your meat and veggies in that dish as well. Don't need anything else. So good stuff.
And if you don't want to make a big quantity of it, you could always do it in a large skillet.
True.
You could saute it instead of heating up
instead of using,
your kitchen like ours is right now. Just say it. Just like that.
And then over here, Mexican style ground turkey stuffed sweet potatoes. Just your typical Mexican spices in here. Actually, Amy cooked this one up. So we started with some red onion in there, put in the tomato, the turkey, and then some fresh garlic. We threw in the black beans and tomatoes towards the end.
Red peppers also.
And red peppers in there. We just baked these potatoes in the microwave, so that's going while you're making the filling, and then basically almost done at the same time. Stuff them in there. Look, it's like sloppy stuffed potatoes.
By all means, you can bake them in the oven. Takes a little longer. The texture's a little better, but we were also making some extra ones for our vegetarian kiddos.
There you go.
So we had 8 of them to bake, and we already had the oven going with a bunch of other stuff, and we just nuked them. We just put the big ones in there for 10 minutes, and then the little ones in there. So, anywho.
Obviously, I garnished mine with some green onion. Amy, not such a fan, and then we'll put some healthy fats in there with some avocado. We are actually boiling a dozen eggs. So, guys, if you don't want to worry about breakfast, hey, at the same time, boil some eggs. You can always take a piece of toast in there, in a little bowl. Take it with you to work if you need to. We're also making some chicken in the oven too, because we just do not want to go out this week. We go out too often. And we've been kind of pushing it a little towards the edge, so we're going to cut it back.
Yeah, even though we meal prep. Even though we meal prep, y'all, you see what we cook here is 6 meals for each of us. That's not enough to get us through till next Sunday.
Exactly.
And lately, we have not been making good choices when we go out.
We are human, guys, but we're on this journey with you.
We like cheese.
Like cheese that's melted in a bowl.
Yes.
But guys, so good portions here though. Good portions too. So it's like whatever you make, even if it's your favorite dish in the world, it could be just horrible. If you just bought Domino's pizza and put a slice in each thing, you know,
these
you've got
might be a little big.
So
that might be a little bit of a big portion there, but you know.
But I am a growing boy and I'm working out. All right, guys, have a great week. Let us know what you love, and guys, taste the rainbow and have an amazing weekend. Oh my God, it feels so good.